Welcome everyone to another video. Today in this video I like to share you guys lot of companies just launched rebranding product in 2020. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So let's start the video. Xiaomi rebranding Redmi phone to Poco phone. We are all a little disappointed. Realme launched the same phone like Realme 7, 7i and Nazo 20 Pro. Samsung also launched same phone under Galaxy A series, M series and again the F series. Even Apple do it with iPhone SE 2 to iPhone 8. Now not just phone, those chipset maker do it too. Qualcomm launched same processor again and again, just some major change. For example, Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G, 720G, 765G, 768G. On the other hand, MediaTek also launched some chipset, MediaTek G90, G95, G80, G85. So let's see 2020 Xiaomi rebranding Redmi phone to Poco phone. Redmi K30 Poco X2, Redmi K30 Pro Poco phone F2, Redmi Note 9 Pro Poco M2 Pro, Redmi 9 Poco M2, Redmi 9C Poco C3. Okay, this is all about rebranding 2020. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you in something on that video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.